Welcome to CC Fashion. In this video, you're going to learn how to make this beautiful piece over here. If that's what you're interested in, kindly hit on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell as we move right into the video. In the previous video, you must have seen how I went about drafting and cutting the bodies of this safari suit step by step. If you've not yet seen it, do well to check in the description box or you look for this video in the channel. You're going to see it, and this particular video is just going to center on the sleeve. So stay tuned. So to draft the sleeve, this is my measurement. My armhole circumference is 23 inches, so half of it is 11 and a half. As usual, I'm going to confirm the measurements, what I have as my armhole circumference. What I have here is 23 inches. So that's my armhole circumference. So that's out of the way. I'll start the drafting. Since I'm not drafting a two-piece sleeve, I'm going to fold my pattern to 9 inches like so. Then I'll mark my sleeve cap's height to be 6 inches. The full length I'm going to work with is 10 and a half. So I'm going to subtract 2 inches from 10 and a half to give me 8 and a half. Since I'm still going to attach a band to it, so I'll mark 8 and a half here and 6 inches. Then I'm going to connect the lines like this. Okay, so coming to this cap side, I'm going to mark 1 inch here. From this 1 inch point, I will take it directly to the tip of this start point here, like so. Then locating half of this, that is 5 inches, which is I'm going to come out by 0.75, that's 3/4 of an inch. Then I'll use my curve ruler to connect it to the tip of it like this. I'll set it well and curve it to this point. Then I will take it straight to this other side like so. From there, I'm going to mark where my 11.5 inches is. So I'll follow this line through and mark where my 11.5 inches is. So this is basically at this point. See? So it is here. As such, I'm going to still curve this downside to look very presentable. You can see what I'm doing there. Okay, since this is the normal length that I'm looking for, what I'm going to do now is going to bring in the front part like this. So I'm drafting both the front and the back part. So this is how I'm going to do for the front part. I'll make it a little bit deeper like this by half of an inch. Then I'll still connect it to meet up with my cuff like this. Okay, so this is going to be my front panel while the other side is going to be my back panel. Then I will mark my bicep, which is 14 inches. Half of it is 7 plus half of an inch for seam allowance. Then I will connect it to that point like so, and I am done. Next, I'll cut it out. I'm cutting the back parts first. Cutting everything at the back parts first. Just take note of how I'm cutting. Cut everything at the back parts first. Then, when I open it up like this is what I have. Okay, so when I'm done cutting it like this, I'm going to cut the front panel, the front part out like this. So that is the front and this is going to be the back. You can see the difference between the front and the back. So this is the front and this is the back. Then I would place it on the fabric and cut. When I'm done applying the stays on the sleeves and on the band, I went ahead to attach this. And what I'm going to do is to open up this band now. You can see I'm going to place it like this, right side facing each other, and I'll stitch a half of an inch like this. Then I'll also put the lining underneath like this, and I'm going to stitch each of them separately, right side facing each other. When I'm done stitching, this is what I had. You can see. Let me open it up so they can see. I have attached it right side facing each other. You can see, and I went ahead to press it down with my steam iron. So I did the same to the lining parts. You can see how it looks like. I had to iron it towards the side, this direction, not the other way, but this side. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do, when you do this, make sure that you iron it properly. You can see how neat it's coming out already. So I'm going to open it up like this and put it like this, ensuring that everything is on point. Then I'm going to stitch it by the seam allowance of half of an inch that I added to it. So when I'm done, I'll show you. So I have gone ahead to stitch it just as I said, and this is what I have. You can see I've also gone ahead to open it up like this and iron it flat. Let me show you how the right side is. So you just pick it up like this and pull it out like this. Oh my god, this is so lovely already. I love what I see. If you're already enjoying this video, do well to give it a thumbs up and make sure that you always put it up like this and iron it well. So do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell if you've not yet done so. Coming up next is going to be the sewing aspect of the full blazer. So do well to stay tuned. Bye bye for now.